Please, your lordship. My lord, the requisition filed on 4th March. Can it be listed tomorrow, my lord? The matter is very urgent. Tomorrow, my lord.
You have the filing number?
My lord.
You have the filing number?
Yes, my lord. Filed on 4th. Tomorrow, my lord. Yes. My lord.
My lord, I beg to mention a contempt case on 15/3, my lord.
Please, your lordship. I beg to mention one item for Order's lordship.
That matter?
No, not
That matter will be listed on Monday.
And this matter, lordship, I pay for listing on 20th, lordship. Because after issuance of notice, lordship, this matter has not been listed, lordship.
Please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention this matter. My lord, I'm paying for listing of this matter next week, my lord. Last it was come on 19/1/2023, my lord. Next week, my lord, because the post of associate professor is going to be filled up, my lord, in the
16th,
my lord.
Yes, your lordship. Whereas this petition is filed 10 days before, it's still not listed, my lord. The matter will be listed on Friday.
it was last listed.
It was filed 22 to 10 days before 22.
For motion.
Yeah, motion.
Monday, 20.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a pending matter, my lord. It was listed on 3 occasions but left out, my lord.
22nd.
May I please, lordship, my lord, I pray for listing of a matter on 14th in regard to service matter. Our services have been regularized, but we are not paid salary since 2017. I need the matter may be taken up on 14th.
14. Okay, fine. Madam Guraki motion at a mention. Instead of 22, make it put the matters on first matter on 13, motion to 13, the second matter on 14. Mr. Roy, you will make it on 14, not on 28. And, other matters should be on 13. Yes.
Your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of matter, lordship. The matter is the principal of the college, lordship. The petitioner is going to retire on this month, lordship. So, lordship, kindly be listed this matter on 13th. Okay.
Lordship, item number 6 of admission with the consent of the other parties, may this matter come up after 2 weeks. Lordship, interim may be continued.
In that case, wait for your turn.
May I please, Lord? Item number 15, your lordship. Though it is appeared on the order, your lordship, but the service has been completed, your lordship. And I have to file an additional affidavit bringing the new facts, your lordship.
Ask someone to be here, will pass the necessary order.
After reaching.
Let the matter reach. Yes, Mr. Hamad.
May I please, your lordship. Well, in this case, my lord, I was directed to file an additional affidavit, my lord, to explain the, my lord, inordinate delay, my lord, for preferring this writ petition, my lord. In fact, that is ready, my lord. I'm filing it by today itself. Lordship will kindly fix the date after a week, my lord.
Prepare the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. J. Hamad. Matter will be listed after a period of 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the judge. And I believe in the appropriate. Yes.
Right, please.
Yes, Mr. Singh.
Here in this case, my provincialization as a assistant teacher, Hindi teacher, Arabic teacher of high school, my lord, was recommended by the district level committee as well as by state level committee. But ultimately, my lord, I was dropped from provincialization. Now, your lordship, in the similar case, your lordship was pleased to pass an order that is at page 37 to 40, my lord. So relevant portion start from 38, my lord.
What is your recommendation?
Recommendation, my lord, the district level recommendation is not available with me, but SLC recommendation page 26, my lord.
You're offering it to RTI or from where did you got?
My lord, it is downloaded copy, my lord. Last one, my lord, Shah Jamal Sheikh. So, my lord, other teachers up to 7, my lord, they have been provincialized, my lord. That is provincialization list at page 27, 28. Only my name is dropped. Your lordship would turn to page 28. Up to, my lord, to Romizuddin Ahmed, Hindi teacher, that provincialized, my lord, but my name as Arabic teacher is dropped. And other two is the junior assistant and grade 4, my lord. Though in the state list, my name is available, but only I have been dropped. So, my lord, let the director consider my case.
The BTC is a party in this case, Lordship.
Mr.
BTC name has been shown, my lord. We have served copy also.
Mr. Bora is sitting there. No problem.
BTC to case motion. Yes,
And
yes.
actually, my lord, it is the business of director only, director, secondary education Assam. We serve copy to the BTC, my lord. Yes, ma'am. On 3/3/2023, we served copy, my lord. And name of the BTC also shown.
Arabic teacher का post को थाकले तो Arabic teacher को का 8% student को आते हैं. Arabic teacher. I am for 1, 4, and 5 only. One.
And Mr. Assembly Standing Council, Department of School Education. For a respondent number
1, 4, and 5.
1, 4, and 5. Also heard Mr. Zibokulil, Government Advocate Assam. H. Ali Halim, Standing Council Finance, for the respondent number 2. And Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3. And Mr. S. Bora, Standing Council BTC for the respondent number 6. Matter pertains to provincialization of service of the petitioner as an Arabic teacher. in Milonjati High School. As tutor. Milonjati High School. Milonjati High School, Alukunda, District Bongaigaon.
চিরাং চিরাং বঙ্গাইগাঁও হয়েছে বর্তমান চিরাং ডিস্ট্রিক্ট আগত বঙ্গাইগাঁও আছে
As per the provisions of the 2017 Act, right?
But
It is
this
submitted
school now has come under Siran district.
presently under
Originally Bongaigaon.
Sirang district. Alukunda Arspel district, Bongaigaon, presently under Sirang. It is submitted by the petition. Those are district scrutiny committee. Sirang recommended the name of the petitioner for provincial service as tutor. Said Milonjati High School. It was duly approved by the state level scrutiny committee. But respondents at the secondary education department of the state is yet to approve yet to give its approval for such provincialization of the service of the petitioner. List on 31st March, enabling the respondent number 1.
it is a director or
Not the director, as well as the director of secondary education Assam. Respondent number 1, secondary government of Assam, the secondary education department, as well as the director of secondary education Assam, respondent number 6, respondent number 5, to apprise the court reasons for not provincializing the service of the petitioner in spite of the recommendation, alleged recommendation, despite of the recommendation made by the SLSC. Petitioner shall serve 3 extra copies of this petition to Mr. SMPC's standing counsel during the course of hearing, completing necessary acknowledgement. 60?
yes sir.
That much only, no?
yes yes ma'am.
Oblige.
Yes, Mr. Bhatta.
By way of the present petition, Your Lordship, the petitioner has put to challenge an advertisement issued by the Assam Agricultural University. That is at page 30. This advertisement was issued
Leave this matter together with WPC number 4824/2019 tomorrow. What is the advertisement?
The advertisement is page 30, Your Lordship. And I am concerned with the pharmacology and toxicology, Your Lordship.
Actually, Your Lordship, he is agree by the constitution of the committee.
No, no,
We'll
not
have
by.
it- we'll have it
Presently, we are
tomorrow.
not concerned with the constitution. I am agreed by the Your Lordship. The age criteria they have put in, Your Lordship.
We'll see that tomorrow. Along with the
Tomorrow is the last date, Your Lordship.
last date of
Last date of submitting their applications, Your Lordship. That's why we have come, Your Lordship.
okay at 2.
Lordship.
At 2. Also, WPC refer to
Kindly pass over the matter for the timing. The senior is in legs in some other court. 20 and 21 is a similar matter, my lord.
Lordship, tomorrow also a number of cases in listed similar methods, Lordship, and Advocate General will appear in this case, Lordship, all these cases, Lordship. So matter may kindly taken up tomorrow. He is not available today, Lordship.
My lord, let the senior ones come, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord.
If the other matters are connected
Yes,
tomorrow,
five,
it is
six
submitted by
matters
Mr. Wilder, Standing Council, Higher Education, that the similar matters are listed tomorrow. And we are to list this matter together, list this matter tomorrow.
Obliged.
Always, my lord. My lord, same matter, my lord.
So,
Lordship, in this case, we need some accommodation because we have to reconstruct the file, Lordship. The record is not where Papia Security, she was earlier, she resigned, she has not written the file. So we have to reconstruct it again. And my Ladakh, and he has also lost his brief, Lordship. My lord.
the PRP Council for the party.
Matter relates to the selection process, which was initiated in the year 2015.
And anyway, in this case, Learned Advocate General, he will apply the code. Will appear, Lordship.
The PRP Council for the party, list this matter. 3 weeks.
Yes,
Obliged.
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 Matrix, Lordship. Here, Lordship, we want to file a small affidavit in this matter, my lord. Meant to be listed after a week, my lord. On 17th, if it is convenient to this court.
Let them file it.
Yes, sir. Obliged, my lord.
Thank you, Lord. On last occasion, your lordship has directed them to.
Pursuant to the order dated 17/02/2023, the respondent IIT desires to place the same by way of an affidavit. Prayer allowed. List on
17th,
not on 17,
okay. 28 convenient.
20, 28.
Obliged, my lord.
Mr. Madunda, please take your seat.
Lordship.
Please take your seat. Please appear, Mr. Gupta, you are appearing for additional government. Please come this side. Any such decision pursuant to the act, decision taken by the Council of the Architects, it has to be approved by the government.
My lord, we have filed the affidavit, my lord. The Council of Architecture, my lord, it is an autonomous
That's
body.
right. Now enhancing that particular fee of up to rupees 25 lakh,
My lord.
whether it has been approved by the government.
My lord, in our affidavit, we have stated it has not been approved. We have filed in the affidavit, my lord. Paragraph 6, we have stated that no explicit approval is taken. And furthermore, we have stated that as per section 8 and 9 of the Council of Architecture regulation, the approval is not required to be taken because there is no necessity of taking approval under section 8 and 9. Because every matter has to be determined by the council on a motion moved by a member and put to the council by the presiding officer. Paragraph 6, my lord, we have stated.
This amount of rupees 25 lakhs from a new institute is not there, is in the rules. See, there is please come to that notification annexed by the respondent numbers 1 and 3 in its affidavit. Mr. Mahanta, you are making this regulation. Under this regulation, you have been empowered, right? Now, show us the provision by which you can raise such enhance the fees or whatever the fee that you can collect from the new education institute.
Just one submission, Madam, before your lordship ventures into that question. Madam, kindly see the prayer. The application was
That
for
we have seen for the session
2021. Now it has already expired. Now
that has expired, but want to see on what basis you can claim that 25.
My lord, we have stated that in paragraph 5.
That you have taken in a council meeting, you have decided, but that must be, you have the power to raise such thing, right?
My lord.
The regulation is there empowering you. That doesn't mean that you will be able to take whatever decision, right? So necessarily a new institute depositing 25 lakhs, quite harsh.
My lord.
But for other central government, you have said 5 lakhs. That 25 lakhs to be deposited, again, there is something that 20 lakhs will return in the phase of 10 years, but without any interest.
Interest.
There has to be some good reasons for depositing such 25 lakhs. And also for the reason that returning that 20 lakhs after 10 years without any interest. Where
True,
is
my
that?
lord, true. That is. No, I was actually not expecting that question, my lord. Lordship would give me some time. I'll take specific instructions on that matter, my lord, and I'll try.
Otherwise, definitely this repetition has become infrastructure only for the purpose of 2021. But what we need is that of course. Thing is.
Because as per the prayer, my lord, it has become infrastructure.
No.
Lordship would kindly produce the prayer and the application in annexure 1. It was for the academic year 2021. And we have stated that in our
If
affidavit
this
as well.
notification will continue, lordship, I cannot, lordship. And there's
We
a
cannot
judgment
presume
of
that,
the-
my lord. Let him
judgment
apply
of the
again.
Division bench of the Madras High Court judgment. I have.
We are not considering that because that has been again diluted by another judgment of the Honorable Appeals Court.
Lordship.
We are not on that.
But on legal issue, lordship, section 45 of the Architect Act, lordship, is a total violation, lordship, of that. They cannot.
Now see, we are in the session of 23-24.
Lordship. But if this will continue, lordship, I cannot continue, lordship. They will
First
not
apply
allow.
and in reject, and again some demand is there, we'll see.
Lordship.
Please come to page number 30.
Lordship, me, lordship, or my learned.
Yes, yes.
It was for 2020-21, but lordship, that if this
Then please
notification
come to
page
page number 33.
lordship, if it will survive, lordship, I cannot, lordship.
My lord, even if the prayers are granted, my lord,
Lordship,
no relief can be granted to the petitioner.
lordship,
now.
for that,
Lordship would
lordship.
produce the prayer, my lord.
Now, have you approached the authority for your such approval?
Lordship,
for
I
the subsequent sessions?
lordship, I cannot, lordship, because once they have issued this circular, 33, lordship, annexure 33, sorry, annexure 7, page 33, I cannot, lordship. And lordship.
There is no bar, my lord.
No, because.
Have you applied for the subsequent sessions?
Lordship, because of by virtue of the that notification, that order, lordship, I cannot, lordship.
This is a communication.
Yes, lordship, for that, if I will not deposit, lordship.
That is for that particular session.
2021.
No, lordship, that is.
Have you seen the academic session?
Lordship, here, may I read, Lord, that academic for the academic session. But this letter, lordship, in this regard, informed that the council at its 69 meeting held on so and so. That is continued, lordship. So if this circular, this notification will continue, Lordship, I will be nowhere, Lordship.
Look at your prayer.
Notification
Yes,
has not
Lordship,
been challenged.
I admit that.
Look at your prayer.
Notification challenge.
Notification, আমি তো
That's
ECT to challenge করিছো.
Subsequent orders, basic
Look at
orders.
your prayer.
Because I cannot introduce, I challenge that letter 24/8/2020, Lordship. That letter, Lordship. If this letter will exist, Lordship, our Lordship, if my learned friend, Lordship, they will not enforce on that, Lordship, I ready to lodge because my 5 lakhs is with them, Lordship, since several years, Lordship.
Mr. Mazumdar, have
Lordship.
you read that letter? Page number 33, right?
Lordship.
And it is.
In this, it is informed that so and so. That was letter issued to me, Lordship, for security deposit for which an amount shall be returned to the institution after a period of 10 years without interest and subject to compliance of the norms of the council. In view of the above, trust institution university is required to arrange to deposit the said amount in favor of Council of Architects payable at New Delhi to enable the council to make further action in the matter, Lordship. So if I will not deposit, Lordship, they will not continue, Lordship, because my 5 lakhs is with them, Lordship. For the session, Lordship, of course, Lordship, if this letter will continue, Lordship, it cannot be. And let me complete. And apart from that, Lordship, there was a guideline on that also. Page.
Heard Mr. K. Mazumdar, counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Page 38 also.
Also heard Mr. P. Mahanta.
1 and 3, Mr.
Learned. And the counsel for the Council of Architecture within bracket COA, respondent numbers 1 and 3, as well as Mr. H. Gupta, Learned CGC for the respondent number 2.
This letter is a total violation of section 45 and 21 of the architecture. Sorry.
We establish an architectural institute, an architectural academic institute. Namely, all capital HAM -AK College of Architecture at Silongoni, SHILLONGONI, Ring Road, District Nagaon. The authorities of HAM-AK, Rural Development Foundation under which said HAM-AK College of Architecture had been constituted, applied before the Council of Architecture to Start. 5 years full-time Bachelor of Architecture course from this session. Please take your seats. 2020-2021. And accordingly submitted all the relevant documents in the prescribed format before the COA. Correct. Applied litigation on 31/01/2020. The such and such AM College, the authorities of such and such also deposited an amount of rupees 500,000 with the COA on 27/01/2020 towards proper evaluation of the said institute by the authorities of Council of Architecture. After such evaluation, the authorities of COA in its academic side wide communication dated 24/08/2020 within bracket through email informed the chairman of the president of the Farm AK Rural Where is the teachers list, Mr.? Where is the teachers list?
Pardon, Your Lordship, teachers.
List of teachers in the dice code.
Yes, Your Lordship. It is at page number 29, Your Lordship. Annexure D, Your Lordship. Dice code for the year 2009-2010, Your Lordship. Your lordship may also find, your lordship, the educational and professional qualifications of all the serving teachers, your lordship, at annexure 8, your lordship, page 45.
Who is appearing for the respondent?
I am very limited in the department.
For the private respondent on behalf of page-based program.
It's okay. Alright. You have a copy of the petition.
My lord, I have.
Please come to page number 25.
My lord.
What is the name of the school?
Onoklota Balika ME.
So Balika means, it's a girls' ME school, right?
My lord.
Now, serial number 16.
My lord. Type of school?
Girls. School.
Girls, my lord.
Category of the school?
Category-
Upper primary.
My lord.
Now, serial number 19.
Lowest Class in the school 5,
Highest class,
7.
upper primary school means class 5 to class 8.
8 months.
Here the,
Here 7 months.
now there is no pre-primary section, next page. No
Malo.
Anganwadi center,
Malo.
right?
Malo.
Then page number 27.
Malo.
They said 3 classrooms are there.
Malo.
Page 29 is the teachers list.
Malo.
In page number 27,
Malo.
just read it for yourself, serial number 8.
Malo.
Read it for yourself.
Toilets excluding urinal in numbers. Total numbers. Boys. Numbers of toilet seats constructed available. Here everything is nil, Malo.
Everything is nil.
Malo.
Right. And it's a Balika Vidyalaya
Malo.
without any toilet.
Toilet. Malo. And
Then see serial number 9.
frequently used source of drinking water facilities. Hand pump.
Hmm?
If yes, drinking water facility. No.
No drinking water facility.
Malo.
10.
Electricity is no, Malo.
No. Boundary wall.
No boundary wall.
Serial number 16.
16 Malo. Medical checkup of students conducted last year. No.
For some. Okay.
For some. For some.
Hmm.
Furnitures of the teachers for some, Malo.
There is no ramp.
Malo. Ramp in the disabled
And
children.
in spite of all these,
Malo.
you have provincialized the service of 3 teachers. And see the list of teachers, serial number, page number 29.
My lord. Here, my lord, petitioner.
No, we are not talking about it. See the names.
My lord. Soprodhar Kolita, my lord.
No. How many males and females?
No females, my lord.
No female.
My lord.
It's a Balika Vidyalaya.
My lord.
In spite of that, you have provincialized.
DLCS forwarded by lord after
So,
verification.
you can understand.
There is also responsibility.
Tomorrow, I think so. The commissioners will be present here. We'll have it tomorrow.
My lord.
Place this matter tomorrow before this. Part in part. List.
Obliged, ma'am.
Order too late.
Item number 6.
लिखो। Land Council for the petition. Place for adjournment of the matter. Is seen that on 21/02/2023, it's pursuant to the orders of the court. Australia. The The respondent authorities in the Guwahati University found that PhD thesis of the petitioner is involved with plagiarism, and as such, by the impugn notification dated 04/02/2022, the respondent Guwahati University following the provisions of the UGC regulations 2018, took punitive action against the petitioner, which is under challenge with the present petition. Respondent Guwahati University filed its affidavit in this matter on 01/03/2022. Petitioner hasn't filed any reply to the said affidavit of the respondent university. While issuing notice, the court on 21/02/2023 extended the interim order (11/03/2022)
Lordship, I appear on behalf of Mr. Yukana in this matter,
till the
Lordship.
next returnable date. 02/03/2022. What's your good name?
I am MP Sharma, Lordship.
Somebody appeared in the morning.
Lordship, Mr. Jiten Payang was supposed to appear in this matter.
Some lady appeared. And the matter was listed on 02/03/2023. The matter was adjourned on behalf of the Lanet Senior Counsel for the petition, fixing the matter on 09/03/2023. I today. Oh, in the order it is 02/03/2023. The court did not extend the interim order passed earlier on 11/03/2020. Matter is accordingly declared.
One, 4, and 5.
What are the numbers? 1,
4, and
3,
5.
1, 4, and 5. Mr. Astra Builders Study Council.
Wicket. My lord.
Yes.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. I'm engaged in this case by
Doesn't
Mr.
matter.
Jitin.
It was adjourned.
My lord, the interim order, my lord.
It was not extended on last of it.
My lord, it was taken, time was taken, my lord,
Yes,
without,
time was taken on behalf of you, Mr. Naya, but interim order was not extended on last date.
my lord, can it be heard, my lord, then?
Don't know.
I can place him because Mr. Payang wanted to bring on record some materials, my lord. That's why he told yesterday that he'll be taking an adjournment in the matter. It was informed to my senior also.
Because in the morning there is a mention for adjournment.
Lordship.
And also prayed for an interim order, extension of the interim order.
Lordship.
But we said
I'm so sorry, my lord.
the interim order is not in force.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord is fixing it on a date, my lord.
After 4 weeks, as per it.
My lord, can it be little shorter date, my lord, if not otherwise inconvenient to your lordship, my lord? 2 weeks, my lord, and a date, my lord, if not otherwise inconvenient. My lord. Otherwise, my lord, it's a case totally not maintainable, my lord.
23rd
23rd, my lord. Much.
Milord, can it be on 27 or 28?
will not be available. Okay, on 27th.
Lordship, most of it.
Yes.
And in this case, my lord, petitioner was presented the graduate skill from 2012, my lord. But as per order dated 28 to 2022, first the director, my lord, in speaking order held that the petitioner is receiving the intermediate scale. Your lordship may kindly found it at page 49, my lord, the speaking order. Annexure 16, my lord.
Where is your appointment order?
My lord,
Your appointment order.
he was appointed in the year 2000. 2001, my lord, appointment order is at page 25. 24 is the type copy, my lord. As a assistant teacher, my lord.
Look at it. Read it. Your appointment order.
Page 24, my lord. The Ajit Das, son of Sri Gopal Das, village, Novapur, Vishwanath Charire, district, Newspaper, appointed assistant teacher in FA Ahmed, Cambia School on fixed pay of rupees 2000, founded per month against the post created by the government letter number so and so 83 2021 and allotted by the Director Elementary Education so and so 83 2001. The appointment is purely temporary basis and will continue up to 31/2/2002. Appointment is for the fixed period only and no right shall accrue to continuous beyond the fixed term of 31/3/2002. Thereafter, thereafter petition was deputed for basic training, my lord. Your lordship may.
Yes.
And he completed the basic training, my lord, just page 28, my lord. His service was regulated by an office order dated 21/10/2010. That is page 29, my lord.
Yes.
Government of Assam is
Where is that? 29.
page 29, 29, my lord.
Yes.
Government of Assam is pleased to adjust regularized 275 of assistant teachers of middle school of Shonipur district against 275 vacant posts as indicated below in compliance with Honorable High Court order dated 6/8/2010 in WPC taken up 1457 of 2010. These teachers were originally appointed under OBB scheme against the post created by government letter number PMA 2496/2015 dated 8/3/2001. Out of 275 vacant posts, 28 post assistant teacher of upper primary have been provided from existing vacancy in Shonipur district and 78 posts have been provided by way of shifting from other districts since converted assistant teacher of upper primary school by government letter number so and so dated 14/9/2010 and remaining 269 posts have been provided by way of upgradation conversion from assistant teacher of lower primary school to assistant teacher of upper primary school in respect of Shonipur district by letter number so and so 14/9/2010. The above adjustment regularization will come into force with immediate effect and subject to the following conditions. Teacher will have to present enjoy monthly salary of rupees 2000 per month, subject to revision of to be decided by the government. These teachers will undergo senior basic and normal training for the current academic session. They will be entitled to enjoy prescribed pay scale as per ROP rule of 2010 from the date of passing of training as per Assam Elementary Education Provincialization Rules 1979 as amended 2005. The Director Elementary Education Assam will depute these teachers for training in the nearest training center and institute immediately. Name of the teachers and name of the schools who are working where posted along with the original creation, permanent pension number, date are indicated below. The petitioner is at
Serial number 222, my lord, page 31. 220, my lord, page 31. Your lordship got it.
Yes.
In the meantime, petitioner have completed his basic training, my lord.
Yes.
And he was regularized against the upper primary teacher at upper primary Vishwanath, my lord. His rule number is 223, my lord, at page 36, my lord, serial number 179. Diet Shunitpur 223, Ajit Das, my lord. Page 36, my lord.
Yes.
And the provisional certificate also issued, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, seniority list was prepared, my lord, at page 44, my lord.
Yes.
At serial number 4, my lord, petitioner is, my lord, at column number date of receiving graduate scale is from 1/4/2016.
Page 44.
Page 44, my lord.
Yes.
Annexure 13. That is the date of receiving of graduate scale at serial number 1/4/2016. That is not correct, my lord. Thereafter, petition.
According to you, which date is your receiving of graduate scale?
As per my, I am
When did you receive graduate scale?
My lord.
When did you receive graduate scale?
2012, my lord.
2012.
Yes, my lord.
So as what?
Your lordship may found it page 51, my lord.
Page
51, 51.
51. Yes.
Date from which revised pay structure is applicable 1/4/2016. Existing pay structure of rupees payable to 5,200, 200 to 20,200 plus 2,700. That is the petitioner, my lord. And his existing pay structure is rupees 5,200 to 20,000, my lord. That is receiving by the petitioner, my lord. That is at page, next page, my lord. At page 62, there is Ajit Das, my lord. His existing pay bond is 5,200 to 20,200. That is a graduate scale, my lord, as per ROP rule, my lord. And I have also annexed the ROP law of 2017, my lord. Your lordship may found it page 57, my lord. And 58 is the pay structure, my lord. Assam, Lower Assam School Service Teaching and Inspection MEMB Senior Basic Schools. Graduate teacher is payable to 5,200 to 20,200, 2,700. That is the petitioner, my lord. And that was revised payable to 14,000 to 49,000, 8,700.
Yes.
I have already shown your lordship the pay fixation certificate, ma'am. That is existing. His existing salary is 5,200 to 20,200, my lord. That was revised on 1/4/2016, my lord. So he is receiving the graduate scale from 2012, my lord. And I have also annexed the his service book, my lord. Your lordship may have found it at page 64, my lord. Allowed to draw regular time scale of pay rupees 5,200 plus GP 2,500 plus 7,700 per month and regularized service by DS order number on successful completion of first and second semester of 2-year basic training by order dated so and so DEO Shunitpur regular scale of rupees so and so so and so. That is his pay structure, my lord. That has been I have been receiving from 2012, my lord.
Subsequently, my lord, my pay was revised at page 68, my lord. Fixation of pay under the Assam Services Revision of Pay Rules 2017, the scale of pay of rupees 14,000 to 49,000. That is the 17 rule, my lord. My pay was revised, my lord. GPU of 8,700 by the Government of Assam order number FPC so and so Finance Department so and so 17/3/2017. So I am receiving the graduate scale from 2012, my lord, but they have held that I have receiving the lower scale, my lord, that is intermediate scale, my lord. And the authority have also filed their affidavit also, my lord. Wherein
Yes, madam.
Lordship.
Lordship, I also, before that, my lord, I would like to apply affidavit, my lord. In my reply affidavit, at page 77, that is the internal page, continuation, my lord. My name is appeared at serial number 7, my lord. That is data capture format for rationalization. School wise, my lord. And my name is appeared at serial number 7, my lord. And there, my lord, graduate pay scale is I have been receiving from 1/1/2012, my lord.
This is by the headmaster.
Headmaster, my lord. So my prayer is that, my lord, your lordship may kindly declare that I am receiving the graduate school from 2012.
When you have done your B.Ed degree?
My lord,
When you have obtained B.Ed?
B.Ed degree in the year 2020, my lord. I have also annexed my certificate.
Well,
that will found at page 41, my lord, deputation order, my lord. The following in-service teachers of government provincialized secondary schools under
where
Kambur
you
are
have annexed it?
annexed it, my lord.
Which page?
Page 41, my lord. In my repetition, my lord. 41, my lord.
All along you remain as an assistant teacher, right?
Yes, my lord. Science graduate teacher, my lord.
No, no, your not appointment is not as a science graduate teacher. Can you show us that your appointment was a science graduate teacher at any point of time?
Your lordship may found it at page 77, which I have already realized, my
77
lord.
is a fresh one, right? It was issued recently.
Subject what, that is science, my lord.
Might have been, might have been. But it is by the headmaster of FA Ahmed, it is after amalgamation. Show us your appointment order as a science graduate teacher while you served as an upper primary school teacher.
That was not there, my lord.
So how come you have become a graduate science teacher? Initially, you are appointed as a fixed pay as an assistant teacher. You
Yes, my
claim
lord.
to be an assistant teacher.
Yes, my lord.
Your service was considered regularized as an OBB teacher.
No, sure.
OBB teacher was never for any science graduate teacher. It was meant for assistant teacher. So all along, you remain as an assistant teacher. When you have become a graduate science teacher?
That is at the time of regularization, my lord. That is, I have been receiving the graduate scale, my lord.
Whether you have been receiving is a graduate scale or that will be decided. But thing is only the any such science graduate teacher appointed as a science graduate teacher will entitle for graduate scale of
Graduate
pay.
scale.
Rightly given, wrongly given, that is a different issue. But assistant teacher in an upper primary school, they were given any graduate scale of pay.
In that respect, I look into this, my lord.
Where is finance?
Your lordship also found at page 52, my lord.
Page,
Page 52, my lord.
yes.
Serial number 3, my lord. Post health, assistant teacher graduate.
Issued by whom?
By the block elementary education officer, head of the institution, that is, and that is Assam Gazette Extraordinary, my lord, fixation of pay, initial pay, my lord, for graduate teachers, my lord.
On which date? On which date?
That is from, my lord, existing pay scale from pay bond to 5,200. That is from my date of regularization to
When
in
it
the
was
year
signed,
2012.
Mr. Alam, page 52, when it was signed? When it was signed? Ms. Musahari, whether standing council finance is here, anyone, Mr. Goi or whoever it is. Where is the order allowing to draw graduate scale of pay? Which order?
My lord. That is at page 29, my lord.
By this order, you have been paid graduate scale of pay or regular scale of pay?
That regular scale of pay, my lord. That was, my lord.
So what is the RO page 10, 2010?
RFP 2010 is, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, that is page 67, my lord, and
Page
58, my lord.
58. Before
Assam
that,
Lower
you just
School.
come to this page. Kindly read page number 29. The third paragraph. Third paragraph. The above adjustment. Got it? Page number 29.
Page 29 is the order, my lord, official, for
read-
regularization, my lord.
Read the third.
The above adjustment,
Hmm.
regulation come into force with immediate effect and subject to the following. These teachers will at present enjoy monthly salary of 2,000 per month, subject to revision to be decided by the government. These teachers will undergo senior basic normal training from the current academic session. They will entitled to enjoy prescribed pay scale as per ROP of 2010. From the date of passing of training as per Assam Elementary Education Provincialization Rule 1977 as amended 2005. This Director Elementary Education will depute these teachers for training in the nearest training center institute immediately. The name of the teacher and the name of the schools we are working were posted along with original creation, permanent creation, date and etc. indicated below.
Now
That
read
is,
the paragraph 2, page 29.
these teachers will undergo senior basic
No,
normal training from the current academic
No,
session.
paragraph 2, officer, out of 275. Same page, 29.
Second paragraph. Out of.
Out of 275 vacant posts, 28 posts of assistant teacher of upper primary have been provided from existing vacancy of Shonitpur district. 78 posts have been provided by way of shifting from other districts since converted to assistant teacher of upper primary school by order number so and so dated 14/9/2010. And remaining 169 posts have been provided by way of upgradation conversion from assistant teacher of lower primary school to assistant teacher upper primary school in respect of Shonitpur district by data number PMA number so and so 14/9/2010. Copy and post. And my name is at serial number my lord 220.
Your name is at 220, right?
Yes.
Now, that post in which have been adjusted was the post of assistant teacher.
My lord.
So when you have become assistant teacher graduate, in terms of this particular order of regularization, after completion of your basic training, you are supposed to receive regular scale of pay.
My lord.
Right. Now tell us by which order you have been appointed as an assistant teacher graduate.
As per my appointment order, my lord, I was appointed as an assistant teacher, my lord. That's
So when you have become an assistant teacher graduate, is there any such post in the upper primary school and assistant teacher graduate?
No, my lord, that is not there, my lord.
So what was the scale for general assistant teachers in upper primary school as per the ROP 2010? You have annex somewhere, right?
Page 58, Your Lord.
Page 58 there, my lord.
What is it?
Junior undergraduate teacher of ME, MP, senior basic schools.
What is the ROP as per ROP 2010 Burua? The ROP hon asile purana. Ko pata te hume. Atul kitabe hon. Nine.
In that case, I may be allowed to place the RFP rule of 2010. That's two, my lord.
Please come to page number 58.
Intermediate.
Page number 58.
My lord. Junior undergraduate teacher, ME, MP school, senior basic school assistant, sub inspector schools, pay bond to 5,200. That is the 2010 ROP rule, my lord. To 20,000, 2,500 pay bond to 14,000 to 49,000, my lord.
Tell us in 2010 ROP, what was the pay scale?
That for
For
graduate
an
scale,
assistant teacher?
For
Doesn't
ass-
matter. Doesn't matter. He has to be first appointed as a graduate teacher. Right? You have not been appointed as a graduate teacher. You have been appointed as an assistant teacher.
my lord.
At the relevant point of time, the requirement was only higher secondary. There are many judgments. Even if you're a graduate, not entitled to a graduate scale of pay, if not appointed as a science graduate teacher.
Yes,
You are appointed as an assistant teacher.
my lord.
Might be wrongly or somewhere you've been given graduate scale of pay, that's a different issue. But when you have been appointed as a graduate teacher, so was the appointment. Whether your service was regularized as an assistant teacher or as a graduate teacher.
That I will produce. My lord. I have.
Unless you can show that your appointment was as a graduate teacher,
In that case,
this order will sustain.
In that case, I may be allowed, my lord, to satisfy your lordship, my lord.
First of all, you tell us by which particular order you have been appointed as a graduate teacher in AME school.
In fact, my lord, I may pray for time, my lord.
No time.
So,
You might be having that appointment order. Suddenly,
Since, my lord,
you cannot become an assistant teacher graduate, right? You have shown as an annexer somewhere that you have shown as an assistant teacher graduate. There is no such post as an assistant teacher graduate.
as per order, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, because of your honorable High Court
We are
order.
asking you. That's why show us your appointment as a graduate teacher, assistant teacher graduate. All along you are an assistant teacher. You are a graduate, no doubt. But your appointment was an assistant teacher. By which order you have been appointed as an assistant teacher graduate? Is there any such post in the ME school, assistant teacher graduate?
No, my lord, there is no such, my lord.
Then
Because
why,
the
how
school was
come you have become an
amalgamated
assistant
subsequently
teacher?
in the year 2017, my lord.
That is a different issue altogether. First of all, you have to establish, you might have been receiving graduate scale of pay, rightly, wrongly, but where your appointment as assistant teacher, as graduate. There is no such post. Then
In fact, my lord, the school was amalgamated in the year 2017, my lord. By that time, I am also being amalgamated as a assistant teacher, my lord.
true, 2016 onwards you received graduate scale of pay, right?
And your lordship may kindly found at page 38, my lord, amalgamation order, my lord.
You have seen that. Your scale also given, I think so.
That is assistant teacher page 20, serial number 21, my lord, Ajit class, my lord. That is, I have been receiving scale of 5,200 to 20,200. That is the graduate scale, my lord. That in itself written in the amalgamation order at page 38, my lord.
But Mr. ILM council appearing for the petition. And MSD Musahari, like nominated to the Training Council,
Secondary education.
Department of School Education. For the respondent numbers.
One, two, three.
For all the respondents, number one.
And your lordship may also peruse the amalgamation order also, my lord. That is there in the, I have also page 38, my lord.
Petitioner, a BSc with Zoology and Botany from Guwahati University. General course. Year 1994-7. Was appointed as an assistant teacher on a fixed pay of rupees 2,000. By deed and District Elementary Education Officer Sonitpur Tezpur by order dated 08/03/2001 in the centrally sponsored scheme -01 elementary education -102 assistance to non-government primary schools -549 Operation Blackboard within bracket small Roman 1 within bracket small Roman 2 salaries under plan 2001-2002. Pursuant to which the petitioner joined his service as an assistant teacher and appointed and posted at F.A. Ahmed Emi Madrasa, Biswanath Sariali. Pursuant to which the petitioner joined his service on 14/03/2000. The service of the petitioner as an OBB teacher service of the petitioner and assistant teacher of upper primary teacher. The OBB teacher was regularized by an order dated 21/10/2010 specifying that he will receive a salary at the rate of rupees 2,000 per month, subject to revision to be decided by the government, and that after undergoing the senior basic public normal training from the said academic session, he will be entitled to enjoy prescribed pay scale as per revision of the 2010 from the date of passing the training as per Assam Elementary Education within bracket provincialization bracket close rules 1977 and as amended in the year 2005. The service of the petitioner was regularized from OBB teacher to a regular vacant sanction post of assistant teacher of upper primary school by the said order dated 21/10/2010 at F.A. Ahmed Emi Madrasa itself. Against the post creation number EPS.16/75/32 dated 29/11/1975 and extended and permanently retained by number EAA.91/90/82 dated 30/07/1992. After completion of his Diploma in Elementary Education. Year 2012 from District Institute of Educational Training within bracket diet Sonitpur. India 2012 petitioner received regular scale of pay as an assistant teacher of upper primary school. Later, the petitioner, the school, F.A. Ahmed, M.E. Madrasa, another LP school, namely Suaguri Lower Primary School, amalgamated with F.A. Ahmed High Madrasa. The scheme of Shiksha Khetra, order dated 16/02/2017. As the name of the petitioner was not recommended for selection to the post of headmaster in said F.A. Ahmed High Madrasa, the petitioner preferred a writ petition in application number 6019 of the 2021. The court, after hearing the parties by order dated 17/11/2021, disposed of the same, directing the Director of Secondary Education Assam to pass a reason order after the verification of the records whether petitioner has a legal right to be included for consideration or selection to the post of headmaster in such provincialized secondary schools of the state. The pursuant to the same, the Director of Secondary Education Assam, by an order dated 28/02/2022, for verification of the records, came to the conclusion that the petitioner received his graduate scale of pay
1/4/2016
with effect from 01/04/2016, and as he did not complete the 10 years of regular service as a graduate teacher in the graduate scale of pay, he is not entitled for selection to the post of headmaster in a provincialized secondary schools as per the provisions of Rule 14 within bracket 2 of the Assam Secondary Education within bracket provincialized schools bracket service rules 2018. Being agreed with the same, the petitioner has preferred this petition. The Director of Higher Education Assam has filed an affidavit in this matter on 21/09/2022, stating that the petitioner received graduate scale of pay
Paragraph 7, Your Lordship.
There are 7 last part.
only with effect from 01/04/2016. Prior to that, he was appointed in a fixed pay of rupees 2,000 against the post created on 08/03/2001, where his service was regularized on 21/10/2010. And after completion of his diploma in elementary education. From diet, he was allowed to draw intermediate scale of pay since 1/1/2012 up to 30/03/2016, and that those facts were ascertained from the accreditation list annexed by the petitioner himself. Since the petitioner received the regular graduate scale of pay only with effect from 01/04/2016, it did not complete the period of 10 years as required under the same rule such 14 of the 2018 rules noted above, not entitled for selection to the post of headmaster. The said FIR. However, the petitioner contended that he received a scale of pay of rupees 5,200 plus 20,200 plus grade pay of rupees 2,700 at the pay band 2 after his completion of diploma in elementary education, which amounts to a pay scale payable to the graduate teacher serving in the Assam Lower School Service, applicable for ME/MV/ senior basic schools. And since 2012, as he received the graduate scale of pay, he has completed 10 years of service in the said scale of pay, enabling him for selection to the post of headmaster. Said F.A. Ahmed. He also stated that he has obtained B.Ed degree in the year 2020 from Sonitpur. Where under Guwahati University completed his course from that. Regarding the receipt of graduate scale of pay since 2012, the petitioner has annexed copy of his service book Mr. Alam, page 64.
Page 62, my lord.
64.
My lord, allowed to draw regular time scale of the ROP of 5,200 plus, GP 2,500 plus 7,700, 7,000 per month regularized in the service by DSE order on successful completion of first and second semester of SUIR and basic training by order dated so and so, dated 6/2/2012.
What was your grade pay?
My lord,
What was your grade pay?
2,500. my lord.
2,500.
So
That
please
is
come to page 58.
written and 2,700 in the last, my lord, following, my lord, 2,700 is written, my lord. 5,025 GP so and so order, Sonipur, OBB 23/2/2012, calculated by 5,830, 2,700,
By which order?
8,530.
By which order?
That is order dated 1/4/2012, my lord.
Where is that?
That order itself in the bottom, my lord. Calculation is there, my lord.
Who made this correction?
BEO Vishwanath, my lord. That is his seal and signature.
Then
is
why
also
you have
there.
not corrected that 2,500?
Yes, my lord, that is there, my lord. If required, I will place original service work, my lord.
But he contended that he received the scale of pay of rupees 5,830 with grade pay of rupees 2,700, which is meant for a graduate teacher. The Mr. Alam also placed by placing the service book of the petitioner submitted that since 1/1/2012 he received the graduate scale of pay, graduate scale of pay since 1/4/2000, and as such eligible for selection to the post of headmaster in any provincialized secondary schools as per the same. After hearing, let the council for the parties and considering and the Director of Secondary Education Assam is directed. Or petitioner could not place any such order by which he was appointed as a graduate assistant teacher within bracket graduate, though he claimed that he is holding a post of assistant teacher graduate. After consultations, the court is of the view the Director of Secondary Education Assam should redo the exercise afresh in terms of the order dated 17/11/2021, passed in WPC number 6019/2020. After verification of all the records regarding the appointment order, regularization order, and adjustment order of the petitioner, and the scale of pay granted to him by the responding authorities after regularization of his service as an assistant teacher, initially being appointed as an OBB teacher under the during such process, if the petitioner is found to be duly appointed as an assistant teacher in the regular assistant teacher now for primary schools, provincialized schools after his regularization by order degree classification, and allowed drawing graduate scale of pay. The director of secondary education select fresh order. However, while considering the state of by the director secondary education shall not be influenced by any of such observation in the order made here. Petitioner accordingly the order dated such by the director. Taking order 28/0/25 number DSC of the SSB of the CC of the 7. Everyone be back to the sale of the date for it. Directed. Petitioner shall submit a certified copy of this order before the director of the on or before 24/0 within a period of 60 days from the date of receipt of the such 1 month.
Obligation.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Chaudhary, standing as BTC, my Lord. He's on legs in another court, my Lord. And my Lord, we are awaiting instructions in this matter, my Lord. My Lord, I pray for 1 week time.
I+6 square.
Government employee, no? Government. Government वाले everything दिया ना.
When is the petitioner's regularization order?
My lord, there was some mistake on the part of the department, my lord. We filed the corrected order, my lord, in our reply to the affidavit of 5 and 6, 5. The lordship will find it. I have designated. I was appointed, my lord, as a teacher, my lord, in Deputy School in senior Hindi teacher in 1994, 1994. Then, my lord, I was regularized, wrongly regularized, so regularized in 1998. But now, my lord, on inquiry, the school says the Director of Education Board has corrected the order, my lord. Page 63 and it's a G of the my evident reply. Please read, my lord.
Your reply?
Yeah, reply, my lord, page 63 serially, annexure G. Has the lordship got, my lord? Please read as memo number so and so dated 1994 instead of DSC order number so and so dated 23/10/1998. So I would be I was regularized from the date of my appointment. The 29/4/1994. I joined on 30th, and but wrongly shown as 1998, which appeared in the office order so and so dated so and so. So it was corrected, and my
Corrected when?
my lord?
Corrected when?
Correct. It was correct, my lord. Just previous page or something else. Corrected, my lord. Just corrigendum is there, my lord. This order was corrected. This is a corrigendum which I have read. Yes. This is 63 is the corrigendum, and my lord 64 is the earlier order. On report of the Secretary of Performance, Sri Ramesan Kaklai, senior Hindi teacher of Gasonjo, who has been appointed on ad hoc basis dated 9 years, and whose term of service has been extended from time to time, and after expiry he is hereby regularized with effect from the date of his joining in the school. So this was 2007, February 2007. Then that 1998 was corrected to 1994 by corrigendum at annexure G. So my regulation is from 1994, 29/4/1994.
But Mr. Sharma?
Yes.
You read petition.
Yes, in the petition, I didn't get that order later on. I found
Page number 16.
16 only. Is there?
Page number 16?
Yes.
Or page number 15, whichever you read. Serial number 5.
Page 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5.
Yes.
Down below.
So the class regular appointment, for regular appointment, you will have to be selected by the session censor. Otherwise, you will be released from the session. It was of 1994, my lord.
So without being selected, whether the authorities can regularize your
That's
service
why
on the date of
government
joining
ability
school?
will be required. Government is file.
My lord, I appear on behalf of the private respondent, my lord.
Not asking at this moment is not. Now, whether that process, without being selected, appointed on an ad hoc basis, whether service can be regularized from the date of joining, sometimes in the April 1994. Is it possible?
My lord, I don't internally whether you are selected or not. I don't have any instruction. My lord, let the government or the BTC file affidavit.
Why government should find it? It is your appointment. You should clarify. The petitioner should clarify. It is petitioner's case. Even if it is, there is a law laid down by the Honorable Appellate Court. If
Yes.
somebody is appointed on ad hoc basis without basing in selection, whatever mode, the ad hoc appointment will not be considered for the purpose of seniority. Right?
Let me get the instruction. My lord. Let me come 16.
In that case, you know, even if your service is regularized with effect from your date of joining, sometimes in 2007, when the order of appointment is very, very, very clear, unless you are selected.
Yes.
In petition, it is silent. You have not stated whether you have been selected or not. So tell us.
Now, both the parties, my lord, whether he was
Yes,
also
yes,
selected
both the
or
parties.
both the
Somebody's
parties.
service has been regularized 2 years prior to you. Both the petitioner and the respondent stay in the same footing. Now, seniority has to be counted from which date? From the date of regularization. An ad hoc service of the petitioner or the respondent will not come into force for consideration of seniority.
That's why, my lord, let them file it. Let them
Right.
on 20th, my lord. 20.
20. Prepare the council for the
And
petition.
in the meantime, let them also file, my lord.
Let them do whatever, even if this, you have to establish your case first.
And the private respondent will also be to qualify, my lord. Habla, my lord.
Purva. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
No, no, before my lord starts, my lord, BPC requested AG to appear in this case, my lord. He's out of station today. Let it come on 15th, my lord. Wednesday, my lord.
I don't know. He can appear. There is no substantial question of law involved in this matter. Anyway, my lord, he has got the right to appear. But then, if your lordship adjourns the matter, then on the next date, my lord, let them ensure that the records are there. Because your lordship on
That
the
I will
first
ensure,
date,
my
on 30th of June, directed that the records be produced. It's a small matter, my lord, regarding in-chargeship of a in-charge principalship of a college. And your lordship on 13th of July 2022, while issuing a notice of motion, directed that the records be produced and that the appointment of the private respondent as the principal in charge is subject to the result of the case. And there has been, my lord, quite a number of adjournments. If your lordship goes through the, my lord, the order sheet, let them produce the records on the next date. I am not opposing the, my lord, prayer for adjournment. Since AG is appearing, it is more the merrier.
By which order direction was issued for records?
30th of June 2022.
30.
30.
Such order. After 29/4, next date was 22/7. 2020. 21st of September.
30th of June is the first date, my lord.
First date 29th of April.
Yes, thereafter, 29th of April 2022, then the matter came up on 30th of June, my lord.
There is no such order. Next, that is 22nd of July.
I am not sure, no, that is what I noted down. Video man. That was the date, my lord, as per my lord, that notice of motion was.
Something we don't know. It's 2809, right?
WBC number is 4479. If I'm
4479.
my lord.
Yes, my lord, there is the order, my lord. On 36/2022. Last one period.
Both are related to same college.
The other one I don't know.
One case?
There is only
Ramesh
one
Chandra
case.
There is
Kapoor.
only one case, my lord.
Oh, no. That's right. It's a different fight. Repair of Mr. S. Bora, Standing Council BTC. Matter will listed again on 15th. On the same day, the Deputy Secretary BTC Koprajar as well as the Director of Education BTC Koprajar, corresponding numbers 2 and 3 in terms of the order dated 30/06/2022. So I'll place the relevant records in order.
On behalf of the learned AG matter, let this matter be listed on 15 matter.
Not 15, no, 16. 16.
Repair of Mr. S. R. Rahul, learned
16th
Standing Council BTC. Matter will listed again on 16/03/2023. 16th.
16th, I will be out of station. 21st, my senior has some difficulty on
21st.
22nd.
Till the interim order passed earlier salary revenue.
It will be on 22nd. Well, the record is already there. I think. It means. 22nd.
Please, your lordship. So on earlier occasion, directed to receive instruction, lordship. Petitioner challenge the order dated 26/2/2016, lordship, page 41, annex 7. By whose lordship, private respondent was allowed to hold the charge of the headmaster in charge. Also, kindly see the annex 2, lordship, page 32, lordship. Earlier,
Where
he
is
was
Mr. P. Sharma? He appeared in last occasion, is supposed to place relevant instructions.
My lord, he is in court number 8, my lord.
Get hold of him we'll take it up at 2 o'clock.
My lord.
Item number 14. So item number 14, can it be taken away 2 lots? So this person is not getting pension for last 2 years. So there is some urgency in the matter.
After 14, the order matters.
Orders.
Then you will take up prior to rising. Will take.
Yes.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Now, I am
estimate.
We have advertised, Your Lordship.
In the previous method, where is the advertisement?
That advertisement, Your Lordship, is that, Your Lordship, at page 22 of my petition. There is no mention about the age, Your Lordship.
Page 22 of the previous petition.
No, in my petition, present petition. I have annexed that in the present petition also. Your Lordship.
You are applying for which post?
Post, Your Lordship, that is head of the department of Your Lordship. It is toxicology, Your Lordship. B, Faculty of Veterinary Science, AAU, Your Lordship. Last line of the toxicology. Veterinary pharmacology and toxicology. Now this was put to challenge. Ideally, Your Lordship, there is a restraint order from this honorable court, Your Lordship. This would have, Your Lordship, come before this honorable court and so seek leave of this honorable court to go for fresh.
You are for the head?
Lordship, head.
Head for the which department?
This is, Your Lordship, veterinary pharmacology and toxicology, that is Faculty of Veterinary Science, AAU, Khanapara. This was for four campuses. I am concerned with B, then veterinary pharmacology and toxicology. That was put to challenge, Your Lordship. And this restraint order
In
was.
that matter, there was the committee consists of.
Because that
a
issue
person.
is different. Issue is different. Now what they did, Your Lordship, now they have gone for phrase, Your Lordship. This is at page 30. Again, B, Faculty of Veterinary Science, AAU, Khanapara. Small d, pharmacology and toxicology. Here, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship comes to page 33, this is the essential qualifications. Eligibility, then essential qualification note, then eligibility desirable, then general instructions. Age is not a bar, then up to a maximum of 63 years. Now, first of all, Your Lordship, in fact, Your Lordship, nowhere head of the department is a separate cadre, Your Lordship. Neither in the UGC regulations nor in any of the universities of the state. But they have, Your Lordship, created this, Your Lordship. And for appointment to the post of head chief, Your Lordship, they have, Your Lordship, certain criteria here, your lordship, evolved, which your lordship is to be found nowhere in the, either in their service rule or in the UGC regulation, your lordship. Normally, your lordship, on seniority basis, the head of the department, post of head of the department is held by senior professors, your lordship. Now here they did it, your lordship, on the ground that there is a notification which, your lordship, says that there will be a selection committee constituted of certain members who will select the head. Now going beyond that, whether they can bring in this age criteria, your lordship, which is nowhere to be found, your lordship, neither in the UGC regulations nor in their own service regulation, your lordship. That's my point, your lordship. In fact, if your lordship is their statute, your lordship, that I am handing over, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, I am showing it. Your lordship, page 28, your lordship.
Just a minute. Just
Duties, power of teachers.
Page 33.
Yes, sir.
Military department at pay scale is for the professor, or it is same as professor? Or
Same
something?
as professor, your lordship. Because they cannot, there is no separate space. Your lordship.
Yes, what do you want to show from
Lordship will kindly come to page 28 of that regulation, your lordship, statute, your lordship.
Yes.
Page 28, your lordship, the head of the department, the senior most professor, etc. Here, your lordship, the age is not there, your lordship. They on their own cannot, your lordship, bring in certain criteria, your lordship, which can lead to deprivation of otherwise eligible candidates, your lordship. I am the senior most person, your lordship. Nearly 2 years service left. Why should I be deprived of, your lordship? And your lordship, apparently when the first advertisement was there in 2018, this age criteria was not there, your lordship.
Mr. Bhattakar, whether
Lord.
this
Lordship.
Our statutes have been amended.
That is, your Lordship, they have referred to one note, I have submitted one notification, your Lordship. That only talks about, your Lordship, the constitution of a selection committee as per. This is the selection committee constituted, your Lordship. We are not aggrieved by that, your Lordship. They can, since there is a notification, they can go for that, your Lordship. And the age, your Lordship, is where from they got, your Lordship. That's the point, your Lordship.
Yes, madam.
Yes, my lordship, we take some time to obtain instruction, my lordship.
Tomorrow is the last.
What is going, in the meantime, he may participate in the application process, submitted his application.
My prayer is also, your Lordship, that I may be allowed to submit, and without leave of this honorable court, the results will not be declared.
That's why we have take
Process may
some time
Now,
to obtain.
Mr. Bhattakur, can you tell us what happened with the earlier selection?
That we don't know, your Lordship. Whether they have abandoned it, your Lordship, or your Lordship, ultimately, your Lordship, by their action, it seems it is abandoned. But I don't know, your Lordship, whether formal decision has been taken or not, your Lordship. That has not been communicated to me, your Lordship. Ideally, your Lordship, they should have come before this honorable court, seeks leave of this honorable court, and say that that should have been the ideal position, your Lordship. Although showing reverence to this, the order of this honorable court, your Lordship.
Please take your seats.
Lordship.
Pardon, Mr. As Waterford Learned Council appearing for the petition. NMS P. Begum, right?
Begum. On behalf of P. Gottlieb.
On behalf of Mr. Correct. Council at some
Yes, see.
Respondent numbers 1, 2, 3. Matter pertains to the 1302222023 issued by the respondents of the Assam Agricultural University by notification number 2.6 within bracket 1 bracket close public 2005 public RG public 2022-23 public 26539-562 dated 13/02/2023, whereby the respondent, Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat, issued an advertisement inviting applications for the position of head of the departments under the Faculty of Agriculture, Public Veterinary Science, Public Community Science, Public Fisheries Science, Assam Agricultural University for a tenure of 5 years. Including the head of pharmacology and toxicology, Department of Faculty of Veterinary Science, Assam Agricultural University at Khanapara. By the said notification dated 13/02/2023, noted above, the respondent university has specified that though age is not a bar, up to a maximum of 63 years, with the note that the appointment will be for a tenure of 5 years, or the incumbent attaining the superannuation age of 65 years, whichever is earlier, and that the application form in a prescribed format should be submitted before the register from Assam Agriculture University, Dorhat, on or before 10th March 2023. Earlier, the respondent AAU
Page 22.
on 05/10/2018, issued notification for the position of head of the department under the Faculty of Agriculture, Agriculture of the Veterinary Science of the Community Science and Fishery Science, Assam Agricultural Universities for a tenure of 5 years, including the head of the Department of Veterinary Pharmacology and Toxicology in the Faculty of Veterinary Science, Assam Agricultural University, Kanapara. But as the selection committee for the said post of head of the department constituted by the respondent AAU was not in terms of the notification number AAU/RG.1.1 in bracket 19 bracket close part P capital /2013 dated 2nd July 2013, where one of the expert member was not from the outside the AAU. One of the experts nominated by the Vice Chancellor of the University was not from the outside the university. The petitioner referred WPC number 4824/2019, which is still in force, which is still pending for adjudication. In say WPC number 4824/2019, the court, while issuing notice to the respondents, the court directed that the respondent AAU shall not declare the result for a post of it, that's right, without leave of the court. And the said order, interim order, was in force in terms of the order dated 050/2020, up to 14/0/2020. However, after 14/0/2020, said interim order dated 24/07/2019 was extended further. Petitioner contended that he fulfills all the eligibility criteria to be the head of the department of pharmacology and toxicology in the Faculty of Veterinary Science, Assam Agriculture University at Khanapara. But as the respondent university on its own have fixed the upper age limit at 63 years. For application to be the head of the department of the concerned departments, including the Department of Pharmacology Toxicology in the Faculty of Veterinary Sciences. Petitioner being aggrieved with such specific clause of fixing upper age limit have preferred this petition, stating that he is the senior most faculty member in the Faculty of Veterinary Science, the Department of Pharmacology Toxicology at Khanapara, AU Khanapara, and he is about 64 years. And the respondent authorities, in violation of the relevant rules in force, on it to fix the upper age limit at 63 years for the post of head of the department as well. In that regard, Mr. The petitioner placed the first statutes under the Assam Agricultural University Act 1968, framed under subsection 1 small a of section 21 of the Assam Agricultural University Act 1968, having statutory reports where the head of the departments specified in the chapter 5 of the said first statutes of the Assam Agricultural University. Specifies only the senior most professor, etc. But did not specify any upper age limit for the said post. It is also placed before the court that the petitioner earlier filed an application before the register of the Assam Agricultural University on 18/02/2023 for issuance of necessary corrigendum pertaining to the said notification dated 13/02/2023. However, with regard to the head link, Professor in the Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology in the Faculty of Veterinary Science, Assam Agriculture, Khanapara. However, same has not yet been considered. Issue notice returnable by 31st of March. That's it. Petitioner to serve requisite by today itself obtaining necessary accumulation. Considering the above, as well as the provisions of the constitutes under the Assam Agricultural Research, more particularly clause rule 9 of chapter 4. In the event petitioner files any application or the post of head of the department of
Toxicology and
pharmacology in the Faculty of Veterinary Science, Assam Agricultural University, Khanapara, in terms of the notification dated 13/02/2023 by tomorrow. The respondent authorities in the Agricultural University shall accept the same, condoning the maximum his maximum age, and further shall process with the said application. If the petitioner such application is found to be in proper form, correct, accepting the same age maximum age, the respondent authorities shall do the needful in accordance with law. The respondent authorities in the Assam Agricultural University shall not declare the selection to the post of head of the department of the pharmacology and toxicology in the Faculty of Veterinary Science, Assam Agricultural University, Khanapara, without the leave of the court.
Make a further prayer, Your Lordship. Tomorrow is the last day, Your Lordship. I will have to go to Jorhat.
That's up to you. Will not extend that.
No, Your Lordship is not required. If Your Lordship permits me to submit my application for the joint register Khanapara, Your Lordship. At least that, Your Lordship.
That we cannot condone.
No, Your
See,
Lordship, not
conditions
required to
only one
condone.
that extent, only that extent. Jorhat is not far.
Lords.
So it will be uploaded on-
Lords. Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
Lordship.
What is the information?
Lordship, that amalgamation order on the last order I placed before Lordship, that the school has already been amalgamated with the higher secondary school. And that in that higher secondary school list, Lordship, the name of the petitioner appears in serial number 28, second page, Lordship, of the instruction. Serial number 28, petitioner, whereas the private respondent appears in serial number 35. So otherwise also, Lordship, the petitioner is very senior. Now the petitioner's school is a ME school, and now it has been amalgamated with the higher secondary school, Lordship, not the high school. But amalgamation order, seniority list, Lordship, petitioner is already, and both are working as assistant teacher.
Or MSPC Harrier Council appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. Sharma.
PN Sharma Lordship.
PN
Lordship.
Standing Council Department of School Education for the respondent numbers
1,
1 to
2, 3, 4. 1 to 3 and 4.
Petitioner. Claimed that he is the senior most assistant teacher of Uzoni Kodia MA School. In the district of the provincialized element upper primary school in the district of Tinsukia. And on the basis of the advice of the District Elementary Education Officer Tinsukia, by order dated 21/01/2016, he was allowed to hold the charge of to be headmaster in charge of the said MA school, in addition to his normal duties. However, the DEO in Sukia, by order dated 03/02/2016, cancelled his earlier order dated 21/01/2016. Said order dated until further order. Being agree with the same, petitioner has preferred this petition on 10/05/2016. Notice in this case was earlier issued on 18/05/2016. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Department of School Education, by placing the notification number ASC.59/2017/303 dated 02/08/2017, submitted that said Uzoni Sodia ME School, wherein the petitioner and the respondent number 6.
Respondent number 5, Lordship.
Respondent number 5 are the assistant teachers have been amalgamated with the Uzoni Sodia Higher Secondary School, Nohodia, under the scheme of Shiksha Ketra. And from the said notification dated 02/08/2017, he placed that the headmaster, the post of headmaster of Said Uzoni Sodia ME School was vacant, whereas the name of the petitioner stood in the name of the petitioner amongst the teachers of Said Uzoni Sodia ME School stood at the serial number 3 in the seniority position, and that of the restaurant number 5 at seniority position number 10. Three likhi ase serial number 28.
28 and 35 lords.
Aru 5 or serial number
35.
Since the Said Uzoni Sodia ME School has already been amalgamated with Uzoni Sodia Higher Secondary School in terms of the notification dated 02/08/2017 of the state government in the secondary education department. This rate petition being devoid of any merit stands. Copy of the amalgamation order dated 02/08/2017 of the placed by Mr. Sharma be kept as a part of the record.
Obliged.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. In this case, my lord, I have mentioned this case, my lord.
Any instruction?
From the last 5 years, my lord, I have seen nothing, my lord.
Actually, that process, the action, the government is under process, the case is under process, Lordship. And Lordship, some few weeks time may be granted, Lordship, so that we can examine the.
On the
case.
prayer of Mr. SL, sorry,
Yeah.
Stock Builder,
Yeah.
Standing Council Higher Education, lays this matter on 31st of March, enabling him to place the up-to-date status regarding compliance of the order dated 22/08/2019, passed in WPC number 7815/2018.
Six years, my lord.
Better late than never.
Lordship, a copy of the order, maybe.
No copy of the order. It's on your submission.
My lord, before opening, my lord, I beg to mention, my lord, item, another item, my lord, 23, my lord. It may not reach, my lord. Item 23, my lord.
Wait for your turn.
Yes, my lord.
Obliged.
Yes.
Number 12 and 13 both are contempt matter arising at the same judgment, non-payment of arrear salary. 2-3 occasions, the respondent took time to
Yes,
file.
Mr. Bora.
Well, here I need some time, my lord. There is a communication, my lord. I've handed over to your lordship, my lord. This has been issued by the under secretary, my lord. Here, my lord, a proposal has been sent to creation of supernumerary post, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, finance department has asked some query, my lord, from the director of elementary education, my lord. So that has to come from the director of elementary education. That is why we need some time, my lord.
It is regularized post question of creating supernumerary. Anyway, let
just area salary, right?
Area salary.
So
Yes.
Post has to be created if it is area. But Mr. A.K. Hussain, counsel for the petitioner. For the petitioners. Matter pertains to non-compliance of the order. Dated 17/12/2019, passed in WPC number 2206/2015. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. P. Bora, Standing Council, Department of School Education, placed before the court a communication number E 248379/152 dated 06/03/2023, Placed before the court to show that the Department of School Education to comply with the said order of the court dated such and such have already sought for necessary approval from the Judicial Department as well as the Finance within bracket EC capital Roman 3 Department of the State. As such, the respondent authority is taking some time in the matter. Prayer allowed. List in the week commencing on. Twenty-fifth of April. And the date to be fixed by the registry, enabling the respondent authorities to place the.
Yeah. 13 also same, my lord.
Same order.
Net is a lodge.
Order dated 12/2019, first in WPC numbers, number 2206/2002.
In this case, Lordship, the petitioner retired from service on 31st January 2021. And since then, he has been striving for getting his pension. But nothing has happened, Lordship, in spite of specific direction of this honorable court.
Any instruction?
Well, the instruction is that the petitioner visited the office. He has given all his paper, including non-liability certificate recently. And now, today or tomorrow, it will be uploaded in a portal called Kitagata portal. There is a portal called Kitagata portal. That will be uploaded today or today after tomorrow. It will be uploaded. Day after hard copy will be also be sent. The process is in the conclusion stage now.
Mr. S. Pichuri, counsel appearing for the
Lordship,
petition.
one more thing, Lordship. There's
Come back to
yes.
And Mr. S. Bora, learned attending counsel.
I'm appearing for some two.
Department of SCIT Assam. Appearing for the respondent number 2. Matter pertains to non-compliance of the order dated 2209/2022, first in WPC number 4911/2022. During the deliberation of the matter, it is placed before the court that the Department of School Education, after obtaining all formalities by notification number small e, capital CF number NO .212.550/460, approve relaxation of FR 17 within bracket 1 by invoking FR 5 capital A and allowed financial benefits on account of retrospective promotion to the post of Additional Director of SCIT Assam. In respect to the petitioner, retired Additional Director SCIT Assam for the period from 01/01/2018 to 16/11/2020. After obtaining necessary views from the personnel within bracket B, judicial departments and all, as well as the Department of Tribal Affairs within bracket Plains, with the approval of the Finance within bracket Establishment ES A department. Further, the communication of the Senior Accounts Officer of the Principal Accountant General AE dated 03/02/2023. Placed before the court reflects that the petitioner is entitled for an amount of rupees 117,954 towards arrear salary for the period from 1/1/18 to 31/01/2021. On specific instruction, Mr. Asbora, Learned Counsel, submitted that the petitioner has very recently submitted all the relevant documents before the Director SCIT for the purpose of his monthly pension, regular monthly pension, and that very shortly, within a period of 5 to 6 days later, within a period of weekly, the name of the petitioner will be notified in the portal Pritoik Gata within Colombia, meant for the persons who are entitled for pension. And the process of payment of pension is already in force, so that pension can be paid to the petitioner. In view of the above, place this matter on
immediate
3rd of April.
Can it be in the
Just so
month?
you want when it is forwarded to the AG that much.
Not to 3rd of April.
In the month of March, possibly, because this petition has not got pension for last.
3rd of April, let it be listed. We'll see. Definitely, we are.
And more to that, Lordship, this petitioner, the arrear salary has not been released also, Lordship. There is a communication in the month of February 2023. For that, only the director has to write a letter to the concerned Treasury Office with regard to non-royal of the particular amount. And that has also not been done, in spite of several
the impediment.
representations submitted by the petitioner.
The respondent authorities and the SCIT, as well as Director of Secondary Education Assam, shall release the arrear salary to petitioner as per his entitlement. There is no other impediment.
In this financial year, so otherwise again the budgetary allocation will be required in the next financial year.
Forthwith.
Please, your lordship. This matter wrongly come in the column of order, your lordship, because as per your last order, it should have come in the admission column, your lordship.
From the perusal of the office note dated 23/02/2023, it is seen the service of notice is complete on all the respondents, including the respondent numbers 5 to 9. Registry shall list the matter for admission.
Lordship, under submission, your lordship, you may be permitted to file an additional affidavit, your lordship.
That is up to you.
Lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, on last occasion, last notification was called for my lord for appointment of the SMDC president. The last notification at page 21 in the read petition, my lord, it has reflected my
You are appearing for the interrogator.
my lord. I for I.
What's your good name?
H. Ahmed, my lord.
For the Lord Mr. M. Ahmed, counsel for the applicant. Mr. Sachin Satslan, counsel for the opposite party number 1 of the trade petition. Also had Mr. SMP Assistant Council Department of School Education for the opposite parties number 2, 3, 5 and 5, as well as Mr. P. Saika, Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 4. The applicant claims that he is selected as the president of the School Management and Development Committee of Pamundongra Higher Secondary School. Whereby the Deputy Commissioner Borpeta, with the approval of the concerned guardian minister, selected him for the said post by the order dated 10/10/2022. As such, he is a necessary party. The application number 6818 of the 2020-22. The opposite party number 1. Opposite party number 1 slash respondent number. It's separate for duration notification of the order dated. (27 10 2022). First in application number 6818/2022. Preferred party respond present opposite party. The applicant has served copy of this application to the opposite party number 1 way back on 24/01/2023. But the said OP did not file any reply. This notice returnable by 28th of March. List along with WPC number 5862-202. Orders of
In this case, my lord, after provincialization service of the petitioner, my lord, husband of the petitioner, he expired, my lord. So NPS paid for, my lord. One similar order is also annexed here with, my lord, of similar nature, my lord, to less than 1 year service. As per NPS, if it is follows, my lord, my husband service was provincialized with effect from 1/1/2013, my lord. My husband was, my lord, Dinesh Sutradhar, page 20. He was the headmaster of the, my lord, Bistu Rafa ME School, Bokazan.
Heard Mr. H. Das counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. P.L. Sharma, standing counsel, Department of School Education, for the respond numbers 1 and 2. Office note dated 03/03/2023 reflects that the service of notice on the respondent number 8 is complete. The remaining respondent numbers 3, 5, 7 is represented by Ms. Sachin, standing counsel, Bengal Autonomous Council. Further, the respondent number 4 and 6 are represented by the departmental council. As such, service of notice is complete on all the respondents number 1 to 8. Place this matter for admission in the week commencing from 27th of March.
Highly obliged.
Sir, not that day, Mr. Saikia has placed a copy of the inquiry report.
Lordship.
But what we found that the concerned inquiry officer should personally remain present. He has issued some questionnaire to the headmaster of the school, who filled it up, and accordingly, the concerned inquiry officer come to the conclusion that the date of birth of the petitioner is 1st of July 1962. He did not, of his own, he did not verify the records in original to come into that aspect. And what we have noticed is that particular date of birth having some corrections, overwriting and all.
Well, the records of the school has been requisitioned and those are handed over to us. We have handed over to the police investigating authority. It is
the
with,
report itself says
it is with them. But Lordship, let him come and explain. Lordship.
You will indicate.
Lordship. Let him come and explain.
The concerned inquiry officer, Inspector Tanvir Ahmed, CID Ulubari, along with the reports, along with the relevant records of the school and the other records, on the basis of which he submitted the report on 28/02/2023, shall personally remain present before this court on March 21st at 10:30 a.m. Since Mr. D. Nath Lanet, government advocate, senior government advocate, right?
Lordship.
This person has appeared in the matter. No formal notice need be issued to the concerned officer, namely such and such.
I'll indicate. Can this be taken on 18th of March? 18th Saturday is a holy, is a working day.
No, it has been postponed to August.
Lordship.
Otherwise, you would have done it.
Lordship. On 21st.